Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explaining about how to open a account on MakeMyTrip and how to book a train ticket through MakeMyTrip application. Firstly, click on the video description and you will get a link of MakeMyTrip application on my video description. Just click on the link from the video description. You will get the application of MakeMyTrip. Just click the install. Then after installing, just open the application. Then enter referral code. Just use the same referral code here. You will also get the referral code of from the video description. Just copy the referral code and paste on this section. Then select your language. I selected English language from here. Then just enter mobile number or email ID. Otherwise you can log in by your Google account. I am choosing mobile number for login the MakeMyTrip application. After entering the mobile number, you will get an OTP on your mobile number. Just enter the OTP here and submit. Click on submit. Now the MakeMyTrip application is successfully opened and this is the home page of MakeMyTrip application. You can book flight tickets, hotels, trains, holiday packages, airports, cabs, all this facility on this single application. This is the major benefit of MakeMyTrip application. All these facilities under a single application. Now we are going to book a train ticket through MakeMyTrip application. Firstly, for booking train ticket, firstly click on the train and bus option. Then click on book train ticket. Then enter your starting point and enter your destination point and choose the date of travel from this calendar. I am enter starting point Delhi and destination point Cochin and date of traveling 8 September. After completing these details, search the train. Now I got a list of trains travel from Delhi to Kochi on September 8. This is the first train, this is the second train, and you will also get the details of starting time and arrival time and duration and fare, all these details here. Select a comfortable train from this list. I choose this Mangala Lakshadweep Express. Then enter your IRCTC username here. If you have not any IRCTC account, you can open IRCTC account now. I have already made a video for how to open a IRCTC account easily. That video link is available on the video description. You can click on the video link and watch the video and first open the IRCTC account, then enter the username here. Then select traveler details. Enter the passenger full name, age, gender and also birth, also nationality. After entering the details of passenger, save that details. I successfully saved the passenger details here. Then the total fare is 1022 rupees. Now we are going to payment section. For first click on the pay and book option. You will get a lots of payment method: UPI, ATM card, pay later, net banking, and now I am choose the net banking facility, State Bank of India, and continue with the net banking. Proceed to pay. You will choose your favorable option, payment option. Then enter your user ID and password. After completing the payment section, your train ticket will successfully booked. This is the procedure of how to make a MakeMyTrip application account and how to book a train ticket through MakeMyTrip application. I think this video is informative. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, JJ Pathfinder.